We're happy to have you with us on Alaska Flight 2830 to San Francisco, proudly operated by Horizon Air. Your flight crew today is Captain Lainey Fontenot, First Officers Joyce Schwartz. Flight attendants stay up front in first class is Janessa. My name's Heather. I'll be helping you out in the main cabin. Safety is our highest priority. We appreciate your attention while we share some important safety information. Please review the safety card in front of you, which shows what to do in the unlikely event of an emergency. We have 4 emergency exits, 2 exits forward, 2 exits aft. The exits are equipped with evacuation slides. All exits are marked with red and white signs. In a dark cabin, floor level lighting will mark the route to the exits. Take a moment to look around and locate your nearest exit. It may be behind you. To fasten your seatbelt, place the flat end into the buckle, tighten by pulling on the strap, and unbuckle by lifting on the top. Keep your seatbelt fastened low and tight whenever you are seated, and remain in your seat when the seatbelt sign is on. If needed, an oxygen mask will drop. Stay seated and pull it down to start the flow of oxygen. Remove the mask from the clip and place it over your nose and mouth, then secure with the elastic band. Tighten by pulling on the loose ends. The bag will not fully inflate, however oxygen will be flowing. Put your mask on before helping others, and keep it on until you're advised by a crew member it is no longer necessary to use. Your seat cushion may be used as a flotation device. If necessary, pull it up and away from the seat frame. Put your arms through the straps on the underside of the cushion. Rest your upper body on the cushion. If you're traveling with an infant, instructions for the use of infant life vests are on the safety information card. Flight attendants will distribute infant life vests if they are needed. Federal law requires you to comply with all crew member instructions, lighted signs, and posted placards. Your safety and well-being are important to us, so please report any unwelcome behavior to a crew member. Smoking, vaping, using chewing tobacco, and consuming your own alcohol are prohibited. Tampering, disabling, or destroying of lavatory smoke detectors is prohibited. For security purposes, no line may form at the forward lavatory. Please use the lavatory in the cabin in which you are seated when possible. Please help us get ready for takeoff by making sure your seatbelt's fastened, your seat back and tray tables are up and locked. Electronics do need to be unplugged from seat power. They're in first class. All bags and larger items, including laptops, are completely under the seat in front of you. Small devices should be in airplane mode and held or secured. Hope you enjoy your 2-hour flight down to San Francisco.